a university which has got a name of Golden Truth. Golden Truth, that is CHARUSAT. It's a beautiful name the university has. And today the nation needs Golden Truth.
At CHARUSAT, we inspire the fascination towards knowledge that takes the road to wisdom. The first Charotar Institute of Technology was established in 2000 with the vision of heralding education and knowledge in Gujarat. The campus is situated in the central region of Gujarat, also known as Charotar, is the land of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. CHARUSAT has been awarded A grade by national and state governments and is the first university in Gujarat to achieve this status in the very first cycle. CHARUSAT is also a member of Revered Association of Commonwealth Universities, UK, and Association of Indian Universities, New Delhi. The CHARUSAT conglomerate consists of 9 institutes offering courses ranging from undergraduate programs to PhD programs. Faculty of Technology and Engineering, Chandubhai S. Patel Institute of Technology. The institute offers B.Tech programs in Civil Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Computer Engineering, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, M.Tech programs in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Communication System, Embedded System, CAD, CAM, Advanced Manufacturing Technology, Electrical Engineering, Power System, Civil Engineering, Structural Engineering, Computer Engineering, Information Technology, PhD in various disciplines of engineering. Faculty of Computer Science and Applications, Srimati Chandaben Mohanbhai Patel Institute of Computer Applications. The institute offers BCA, BSc IT, MCA, MSc IT, and postgraduate diploma in computer application, PhD in computer science and applications. Faculty of Pharmacy, Ramanbhai Patel College of Pharmacy. The institute offers B.Pharm, M.Pharm in Pharmaceutical Technology, Quality Assurance, Clinical Pharmacy, Pharmaceutics, Drug Regulatory Affairs, Pharmacology and Toxicology, PG Diploma in Cosmetics Technology and Packaging Technology, PhD in various disciplines of pharmacy. Faculty of Management Studies. The institute offers BBA, MBA, PGDM and PhD in various management disciplines. Faculty of Applied Sciences, P.D. Patel Institute of Applied Sciences. The institute offers BSc in Biological Sciences, Physics, MSc in Microbiology, Biochemistry, Biotechnology, Advanced Organic Chemistry, Physics and Mathematics, PhD in various disciplines of Applied Sciences. Faculty of Medical Sciences, Ashok and Rita Patel Institute of Physiotherapy. The institute offers BPT, MPT in Musculoskeletal Sciences, Neurological Sciences, Cardiopulmonary Sciences, Pediatrics, Rehabilitation, Women's Health and Sport. PhD in various disciplines of Physiotherapy. Manikaka Topawala Institute of Nursing. The institute offers BSc Nursing, MSc Nursing, Medical and Surgical Nursing, Obstetrics and Gynecology Nursing, Community Health, Child Health, Mental Health, and GNM. Charotar Institute of Paramedical Sciences. The institute offers BSc in Optometry, Medical Radiology and Imaging Technology, Operation Theatre and Anesthesia Technology, MSc in Medical Laboratory Technology, PGDM in Clinical Hypnosis, Hospital Administration, PhD of Paramedical Sciences. Faculty of Technology and Engineering, Devang Patel Institute of Advanced Technology and Research. The institute offers B.Tech in Computer Engineering, Information Technology, Computer Science and Engineering. CHARUSAT Space Research and Technology Center. Realizing the huge potential of space technology for the country's development, a dedicated team of scientists undertakes research projects in satellite technology with ISRO, IPR and IRDE. Dr. K.C. Patel R&D Center conducts research in emerging sciences like nanotechnology, renewable energy and biotechnology. Our sun, the bright alternative. Pramukh Swami Center of Excellence for Renewable Energy, CHARUSAT holds Human Development Center to cultivate professional knowledge and attitude towards the scientific and engineering community through intensive training and workshops. CHARUSAT Hospital. A world-class CHARUSAT multi-speciality hospital is established under the aegis of CHARUSAT Health and Research Foundation to provide quality health services in Charotar region. Today, the hospital provides specialized treatment in the field of medicine, surgery, pediatric, gynecology, orthopedics, spine and neurosurgery, ophthalmology, ENT surgery, diabetic care, dentistry, joint replacements, infertility, kidney diseases, vascular surgery, plastic surgery, etc.
CHARUSAT is a place of pride for collaborative learning to nurture and ignite young minds. It is our endeavor to make CHARUSAT a dynamic and globally vibrant institute of par excellence through world-class quality education.
Academics and teaching. Sculpting young minds are 350 highly qualified faculty members, educated from IITs, IIMs and other premier institutes. To the students, they are both teachers and caretakers. CHARUSAT encourages students to pursue their innovative genius through experiments, turn knowledge into wisdom. Here, world of knowledge is in the palm of students' hands.
CHARUSATમાં અમારું જે મિશન છે તે ગ્લોબલ લેવલનું શિક્ષણ આપવાનું છે.
CHARUSAT provides students with an arsenal of tools ranging from 24/7 Wi-Fi, books to e-journals and educational films to explore world-class learning. Words that inspire wisdom, teachers that foster creativity, and projects that inculcate innovation. CHARUSAT is breaking barriers of conventional learning. TechFest. Enhance physical ability and mental capacity. Learn from leaders. Projects. Transform learning to wisdom. Each program allows students to challenge the conventions of their field with research and development projects, traded by university and other agencies. CHARUSAT helps with registration of patents to protect intellectual properties. State-of-the-art laboratories equipped with avant-garde technology to enhance working knowledge and hands-on experience of the students through innovative workshops and interactive practical sessions. CHARUSAT is a kickstarter of exceptional careers through campus placement in some of the leading corporations in India and abroad. The campus boasts a huge ground encompassing a wide variety of sports with specialized training and coaching. CHARUSAT competes at state and national sports competition. Students practice their artistic endeavors under guidance of experienced teachers. CHARUSAT gives young talent a platform to blossom and flourish in their respective arts. Rural Education Development Program. Through various tours in rural districts and activities in village schools, CHARUSAT cultivate an attitude of compassionate growth and charitable outlook towards society.
In this competitive environment, CHARUSAT, a brainchild of social organization, has emerged as a global player in the education field.
At CHARUSAT, we celebrate spirit of learning, creativity and innovation. For further information, visit our website www.charusat.ac.in or you can email us to info@charusat.ac.in. CHARUSAT Campus, Changa, off Nadiyad Petlan Highway, Gujarat 388421, India.